Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Acuity scheduling, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove an admin or a team member from your Acuity scheduling? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove an admin or a team member from your Acuity scheduling? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different admins or virtual assistants, but sometimes they go their own way, so you need to remove access to your Acuity. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Acuity dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Acuity scheduling, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and remove an admin or a team member, here on this left menu at the very bottom, you're going to see your email and your name. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the products you have with Squarespace, including your Acuity right here. And in order to remove an admin or a team member, here on the top right of that particular box, click on these three dots. Once you click there, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on permissions. Okay, once you click on permissions, you're going to see all of the admins and team members that you've added in, and you want to choose the name of the person you would like to remove. So for example, this one, and just click on their name. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see more information about their permissions. However, to delete or remove this admin, here on the top right, click on these three dots. Once you do that, you're going to see a menu. So for this person, they haven't accepted the invitation yet, so it says cancel invite. If they're already a member, then you're going to go ahead and delete them as an admin. Next, you're going to get a pop-up asking if you are sure you want to go ahead and delete that admin or team member. Go ahead and click on the red confirm button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that person has been removed from my Acuity scheduling, so they no longer have access to my scheduling or my clients. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an admin or a team member in your Acuity scheduling, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.